Hi, I'm Joe Alvarez. Welcome to Training Minutes. Today what we're going to go over is attacking a steel door with the push bar panic hardware. Today we're using a wood door to demonstrate this technique. What's going to happen is we're going to take a K12 with a steel blade and we're going to push it into the middle of the door. We're going to bury the blade and work it down close to somewhere in line with the doorknob. After we've done that, we're then going to take our framing square, stick it through the opening, drop it down, and pull, and it will put pressure on the panic hardware, then releasing the pin and opening the door. Once we've made our cut clean through the door, now is when we take our framing square, stick it through, and applying pressure to open the door. Remember, this works on outward opening doors. This is just to demonstrate that. If you do not have outward opening doors, you could do the same exact technique that we just did to practice. Thank you for watching Training Minutes. I would also like to thank the Ramsey Fire Department, the Whiteclaw Fire Department, and the Bergen County Fire Academy for assisting us today. I'm Joe Alvarez.